Hello and welcome to the World Tech Tube. Now we are going to learn about the async subject. I have already added the Angular application with the help of Angular CLI, and now I am adding the async subject component. It is added here. We are also using the forms module. Make sure you have added this. Now going inside the async subject component that we have created. Let us quickly start with the demonstration example. We will create the subject object as a new async subject. Now we are going to create the subscriber messages that are being sent from the subject. It will be of type array, and let me create the reset required, that is of boolean property, and it will be set to false by default. Let us start creating the client, start creating the subscriber that will subscribe to this particular subject. My system is working very slow right now. We have created the subscriber, we have created the array of string that will keep on holding all the messages that are being sent, and the subscribed one property as a boolean that is set to false. On the very initial stage, the subscriber has not been subscribed to any channel. We have a text box, and I am using the ng module name as message. Let us start creating the subscribe method. Once we are calling the method subscribe, it will subscribe the particular defined subject observable, and it will subscribe. And also I am setting the boolean property subscribe 1 to the true, as I am subscribed to this particular channel. This dot subscriber 1 equals to we are simply subscribed to this particular subscriber, and later on we will utilize all the values, the data that are being notified. And now we are going to create the unsubscribe method that will do nothing but the channel that you have subscribed, it will simply unsubscribe to it. This dot subscriber 1 dot unsubscribe. Don't know why my system is getting hanged. Sorry for the interruption. And also you need to set this boolean property that is subscribed to the false, as we are no longer going to receive the notification from the observer. Let me recheck the spelling. Okay, I have, let me correct the spelling. Subscribed. Let me create a send message that will take the input from the observable subject, and it will simply send to the subscribed client. Once we are calling the method next, it will simply pass the data to the subscribed clients, and after sending the message I will simply set the message text box to the blank. This is the thing, but a method that will take the string message and it will simply add this to the subscribers message array. Dot push, and we are adding the new value to our array. Let me add the clear message. This will do nothing but clear up the array that have the values. Once we click on complete message, it will simply call the methods complete from the subject object, and it will unsubscribe your client. Let us utilize the method send to the subscriber that will take the data and add it and add all the values to the subscriber one messages. Let us update the HTML part of the async subject. Yeah, we have added the values for the first section that is for the subject observer, that have a text box and the button to be sent and a button that will reset everything, as we are not able to utilize the async let us see what method we have added. This is for sending the message, and this is for calling the complete method, and this is for simply resetting everything like the page reload. We have added the second section for our client, for our subscriber, that can subscribe and unsubscribe and clear its available messages. And with the help of this loop, we are making it visible all the values that are available. Let me run. Once we are sending anything, but it will simply return you the last value. Once you subscribe and send anything, it will only send you the last value that has been sent before the calling of complete message, complete method. Whatever value you are sending, it will simply, it has nothing to do with the values that has been sent. It will keep on operating all the values, and once it is calling the complete method, it will send you and notify you the last value. Okay, thank you so much.